I'm a big fan of Bitcoin longer term. I do think in the near term, it has gotten a little bit out of control. And you see that spec money coming in. And the spec money's in everything, right? I mean, you look at these stocks that are going up to the moon. You look at cryptocurrencies going to the moon. Everything but really gold, you could say, is kind of the laggard at this point. So there's bubbles everywhere. And part of it is this. People are home. They're getting stimulus checks. You have a large population that is not doing well. But those were not generally the people that were investing money, right? The people that are investing money are the ones that still have jobs. They're working from home. They're not going on vacations. They have all this disposable income. And you can see the disposable income numbers. It's massive right now. So they're sitting at home, twiddling their thumbs. And what do? Oh, well, look at this stock. I can just throw it in this. I can buy options. I can buy cryptocurrency. And so you're creating this massive surge. And what I think is going to happen is, interestingly enough, as you see the vaccines become more and more integrated into the population, you reach that herd immunity where you can start to reopen, then you'll actually see people say, all right, well, I'm going to take some money out of stocks. I'm going to take some money out of cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to go book that big vacation. And now, you know what? It's even bigger because I'm a baller. I'm making all this money. So that's my guess, is that you're going to see it top out then. And the negative is that it's going to be so frothy, you're going to see big corrections. You're going to see 20, 30, 40% in stocks, maybe even more. And one of my philosophies is that when you see the reopening, everyone's gearing up for this reopening that's going to be massive, so much consumer spending, right? You're going to get that, but we've lost so many small businesses in the course of the last year that you'll get the initial surge, which will be 3, 6, maybe 9 months. And then I think the economy comes back to a stagnating level. I worry about stagflation. Stagflation is where you have no economic growth, but you have inflation. And that's like the worst thing of all. And I do worry that the Fed has us on a course for after the initial surge. I would guess that we could continue to hold up for a decent amount of time. I mean, I think you'll still get 10% corrections, normal corrections along the way in the stock market. But ultimately, I do think down the line, a year out, we could be having a very, very different discussion about the economic outlook.